Hello everyone. Today I will be unboxing the Viofo Dashcam A119. As you can see, it records in 2K. I just want to say that this is just the basic version without the CPL filter or the GPS. Comes with loop recording. As you can see, the GPS logger is optional, and here are all the specs. If you want to pause the video and just take a look at it. And on the side, I also purchased a higher endurance micro SD card because high endurance micro SD cards are the preferable type of memory for the dash cam because of the constant overwriting of files. And if you would have chose a regular SD card, it would have not functioned as effective as a high endurance one. So here's the dash cam itself. The dash cam itself comes in a protective plasticky thingy, and we'll put the packaging aside and we'll take a closer look at the dash cam. As you can see, it has a space for the plate that goes mounted onto the windshield. As you can see, it has an AV port and the USB port, the power port, has a LCD screen. Also has the reset button and the slot for the micro SD card. And just for a quick size comparison, I'll compare it to the size of my wallet. As you can see, it's sort of smaller than my wallet, give or take a few centimeters. Now I'll take a quick look at what else is inside the package. As you can see, the first thing that we see is the quick start guide, which I sure will be reading later, with a couple of visuals and instructions to get myself up and running with functions. And the little goodies that come inside is the car charger and the long USB cable which will power the dash cam. We also, I think, have all the plates that go mounted onto the windshield, so you could place the dash cam on there. And it comes with the EVA stabilization pad, the removal string, and also an extra sticky pad. And it also comes with these cable plate mounts, which let you mount the cable in places that you're not able to, and the small computer USB cable.